So hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on Shoham, not SC Bros, Shoham BTS. So today we are going to talk about what happened to the daily vlogging channel, where I have uploaded only 2 videos in 3 months, 4 months to be exact. Today is 21st of October, and from today a new chapter is going to start in my life. Not like a real new chapter, but I am going to make it look like it is starting a new chapter. So basically, stop barking, please. So basically, in this new chapter, what we are going to do is actually I am going to revive the SC Bros channel, the main SC Bros Bengali channel. যেখানে বাংলায় সব ভিডিওস কন্টেন্টসগুলো দেওয়া হতো লাস্ট ইয়ার অক্টোবরে লাইক ইট ওয়াজ দ্য এন্ড ফর মি আই হ্যাভ নট আপলোডেড আ সিঙ্গেল ভিডিও আফটার দ্যাট in the whole year. So after 1 year, what exactly happened in this 1 year? Why am I not uploading videos? And also a new channel was created, SC Bros Shorts. What happened to that channel and all those sorts of things? So basically, let's get started. So let's start with the first thing first. What happened to SC Bros? What happened in this 1 year? Why haven't I uploaded and all that? So basically, in the last 1 year on October 2020, the COVID was there and all those stuff. But still, I uploaded. In 2019, a very bad phase of my life was going on. So a very tough struggle was there. I had to travel daily to just make tuitions and make ends meet. So in that time, in that spot of the time, also I made videos and uploaded to YouTube. There was a real struggle in it, but during the 2020 time, I started working in a cable operator firm named CityNet in Kalyani. So here, during working here, I got all the affirmities and amenities I needed, for which I was so much engrossed in working for YouTube, in working in the YouTube system, because YouTube gave me the dream of achieving all those things which normal 9 to 5 job was will never be able to achieve those things, like traveling around the world, vlogging, gaming, high-end, live, luxurious places, luxurious things, and luxurious everything, high priced. You could buy all those, achieve all those things only by doing YouTube, because YouTube was a short time to fame, short time to money. I thought those times that things that later. But during 2020, what happened when I joined the CityNet, the cable operator firm, uh, working here, I became busy. First thing first, I became here busy, traveling to Kolkata, where my actual crew was there, like Shreya and Shohil and other members were there. They were the main two. So other they were there. So I had to travel there and make them work. Uh, when I used to stay in Kolkata, they used to work with me. But when I came to Kalyani, I could not contact. Means I had the very much contact, but getting the affirmation, getting the motivation to work actually was not there in them. And also I couldn't travel back there to and from, because due to COVID lockdown situations, the trains were not available. Traveling by car was also very costly and all those shits. So I had to cut down the traveling. I had to motivate them over the Discord or phone, whatever we used to talk on that time. So they worked a lot. It is not good of me to say they didn't work. They worked. It is true they worked, but the problem is that they could not keep the motivation alive until everything was normal. Everything has been become normal, but which is still has not happened. So the thing went on like this. I stayed in Kalyani, worked here. I made videos, uploaded them in tough times. Also, I uploaded videos because at that time making videos was a kind of means winning the game, staying in the game, and all this struggle. Whatever life throws at me, I will be ready. I will never oppose from the spot of uploading videos, because that is what gonna make my life happy and all those things. But actually what happened is, working in CityNet, I earned a little bit of money, and with that money I bought some of the amenities which YouTube could have given me if I had worked there longer, gained more subscribers, watch time and all that thing. uh, so I bought a gimbal, a Gorilla tripod, a mobile with better camera, and gaming also. I had the computer here in Kalyani, so all those things which I didn't get at home, I got here. I got the money in the cash in my hand, so I bought the things which I couldn't have, which I had dreamed of buying. So the struggle for the need to do YouTube was getting diminished slowly, and in October, means last year in August 2020, we opened a new channel. At that time, YouTube Shorts was a new thing, so we opened a new channel. It was Shorts. It was some other name. I don't remember right now, but later it was renamed SC Bros Shorts, and we started uploading shorts videos of epic gaming moments, PUBG moments, and all that shit. And the channel went viral during October time only, and I especially concentrated on that channel SC Bros Shorts so much that I forgot about, and so not kind of forgot, but that channel became the main name because it was growing rapidly that time and gaining thousands of subscribers per day, which actually in SC Bros Bengali channel creating original content, I gained 1,000 subscribers for 2 years maybe. Last year October only I reached 1k subscribers, and this year October it is 1.16, means only 116 subscribers had 160 subscribers has grown from that time. Means in 1 year 160 subscribers, and in that channel at that time there was we were getting more than 1,000 subscribers per day and more than million views per day, which at right now the channel is standing at 33 million views with more than 5 to 6 million views on the most viewed videos on that channel. So that channel has grown a lot. At right now we have 20,000 subscribers on that channel, so that channel gets a decent amount of views and all that, but still earning money from that channel has not begun because we have not completed the watch time criteria, all that YouTube imposed criteria that was shorts watch time will not be correct, shorts watch time will not be counted and all that shit. So we had to compromise in the short watch time, but still we have got a decent amount of subscribers. Not very much of an responsible one, but still we have a 20,000 subscriber channel, and that thing. So that's why I have not uploaded in SC Bros Bengali channel for so many days and all that. My fellow crewmates Shohil and Snehan had uploaded 1 or 2 videos in between, which I had also worked on, but they one got published I think, and the other 3 were remained private or under editing position and all that. So those videos were gone, and now exactly right now I am planning to and now exactly at right this time I am planning to revive the channel. So I am going to post new contents, only me. I am going to work alone this time. I'm not alone means what kind of, I am going to only be the person in front of the camera this time. They were not going to work because they had exams and all that things right now in December, January. They have their board exams and all that. So I am kind of free right now. So I really want to do YouTube this time. So I'm going to upload my own videos, like what maybe popular. You guys can suggest me like what are the things and all that. An official video will also be published in SC Bros channel. So what happened to SC Bros? At that time I will make it more clear and all that. But as this is a BTS channel, I am already telling you guys because this channel is not at all popular. We have 0 subscribers in this channel. 0 subscribers in this channel right now. So we are going to I'm going to upload this as a my own video diary kind of channel, but it will get popular. I know it will get views and all that. So we are looking forward to that. It's opening. Okay, so that being said, now let's get to the second point. So the second thing is I was engrossed in CityNet. I was working in the CityNet cable form system. All that cable knowledge was in me. I have got a lot of knowledge working here for more than 1 year right now. So in the last 1 year, first year of my joining here, I got the certificate of appreciation from GTPL company. I will show you the certificate there. It is in my office right now below. So the next thing is I am going to okay. The next thing is I started a business, a sort of venture, joint venture with one of my employees. I know it is wrong to work as a joint partnership business with employees, but still I did because I had little knowledge. And so the business was of farming chicken farming actually. So in that business I kind of it has already been 3 months. They have matured, they have been given to the reseller, and the money is still not transferred to my account because the employee, the partner, has been kind of cheating. I don't know what happened to him. All sorts of problems are in his life. He's telling me this and that, this and that. I don't know. Today at 5 p.m. This is now right now. I don't have a watch, but it is still 4:30 right now. So at 5 p.m. I'm going to know what happened, or is he going to give me or not, or I'm going to cut it from his salary or not. So let's see. Today 5 p.m. I'm going to know. I will let you know in the tomorrow's vlog about this one because I am planning to upload daily this time. Okay. I don't know if I will be able to or what, but I will still try. Okay, the third thing is that I need to cut my hair. It has been grown really long. In October, I know it is very common for Bengalis to cut hair due to the puja thing, but me being the intellectual, antisocial, empathetic human being, I have not done that. Last time I cut hair was I went to the barber on September, 3 or 4th of September, and the whole September month, the whole October month has been covered. Today is 21st, so I am going planning to cut the hair tomorrow. So I will cut the hair, and vlog will be there for that. And also I am planning to go to the gym because you know, if you have seen me a year ago, you would have seen how was I. My hand has swollen, even my body has swollen, so I need to minimize that. So I'm going to go to the gym. A vlog is gonna come about that, and also I'm planning to work the extra hours for YouTube because waking up at 10 a.m. for the cable business, studying college thing and all that, it is not possible for me to work for the YouTube in that time frame from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or whatever. So I'm planning on working for YouTube around the morning time and the night time. So around I am thinking of waking up at 6, going for a jog or something, and then going to the gym in the morning, and then coming back working for the YouTube for an hour or two, and then at the night around after 11 or 12, I'm planning on uploading. I'm planning on uploading the Acquist. You know what Acquist is? Acquist is a brand new fashion brand started by the SC Bros CEO Shoham Chakraborty, myself. So in this brand we sell first copy, master copy, and sometimes original products of the high-end brands like Nike, Adidas, Puma, and what else was there? Nike, Adidas, Puma, and I'm forgetting what else. So in this I get daily updates, and I will update you in my new YouTube channel. Oh no, don't call right now. In his new YouTube channel, SC Bros Acquist. So let's see what happens. তো হে গাইজ, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক, নট ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক, এটা আজকেরই ব্লগটা পার্টে থাকছি. জাস্ট নাও আই গট দ্য আপডেট অন দ্য চিকেন ফার্ম থিং. The thing is that he called and said that he will not give me money right now. He has used my money in something of his purpose. Shits happen really. So the next date he gave is 10th of November. So before that I need the money. So let's see what can be done about that thing. I am really pissed off right now. I am not in the mood to argue. I am having a very boiling situation in my head right now. So the next thing is this is for today's vlog, and Apex gameplay I think will be uploaded along with this vlog, with me at the corner and the Apex gameplay on the whole screen, and with my voice over it, so that it can feel a more kind of enthusiastic and not boring kind of vlog. So let's see tomorrow. Bye bye.